Producing content using a full-size camera poses genuine challenges. It's unwieldy, causes your biceps to protest after mere minutes, and finding a stable spot to set it down is a constant struggle. But boy, do I have a solution for you right after this.
Sir, contact with an object. It's moving toward us.
Base of maneuvers, Mr. Sulu.
Visual contact.
Hi everybody, I'm Kersten Luts and you're watching Platypod TV, brought to you by Platypod, where innovation never sleeps. And in today's video, we're unlocking the secrets of transforming your smartphone into a content creation powerhouse with Platypod's brand new influencer SmartStart Kit. From lighting setups to accessory magic and professional audio, I've got you covered. And if you watch to the end, I'll have some pro tips for you that'll make your content shine. So stick around for that. Welcome to 2024, and vlogging is the ultimate way to engage with your audience. The latest smartphones are the perfect tools to get your message across, share ideas and express yourself. Gone are the days when you had to lug around a hefty camera and wrestle with a tripod. What a complete pain in the... As I'm sure you'll be happy to know, those times are a thing of the past, my friends. Say hello to Platypod's influencer SmartStart Kit. Now's the time to step up your vlogging game with these three amigos: the Platypod Extreme, Handle and Grip. That's a super cool combo that offers more flexibility and versatility than just about any other solution out there. Switch between landscape and vertical in seconds. You can attach lights, microphones and more using two cold shoe adapters, and there are plenty of 1/4-inch sockets to attach elbows and goosenecks all over the place. The SmartStart Kit isn't just a stabilizer, it's a creative playground for your accessories. The possibilities are limited only by your imagination. It brings ultimate versatility to your fingertips. So let's have a look and see how you can make your vlog look $1 million with these pro tips. There are two aspects in particular you want to have covered: lighting and audio.
Lighting.
Natural light is great in most cases, but when you're vlogging indoors, you need to take care of your lighting. The Influencer SmartStart Kit gives you loads of opportunities to attach light sources, like this LumeCube Panel Pro, or even just a regular LumeCube. You can use elbows or goosenecks to either attach your lights to one of the many 1/4-inch sockets on the Extreme, Handle or Grip. There are 21 altogether, so you'll never run out of options. And whilst one light already enhances your look, try two for some really even lighting. The difference is massive. And here's a pro tip. Next time you vlog outdoors, use your LED lights to add some sparkle and watch your colors pop like a paintball fight in a rainbow factory. Because, let's face it, life is too short for dull colors. By adding some simple lighting, you can turn every video into a visual extravaganza that's more vibrant than a disco ball at a unicorn party. Okay, let's chat audio.
Audio.
The simple truth is that people turn off a video with bad sound much sooner than a bad looking video with great audio. So audio is key. When you're vlogging, no matter whether you're using a camera or your smartphone, you're battling environmental noises, wind, and the fact that your voice is usually quite far away from the built-in mic. By using an external microphone, like this lapel mic by Rode or similar mics by DJI, you'll be able to get the mic closer to your mouth and improve the sound quality dramatically. Also, these mics are wireless, which allows you to set your rig down anywhere and move around freely. No strings attached, literally. And the receiver fits into the Grip's cold shoe like a glove. No dingle-dangle anywhere. Crisp audio is the backbone of engaging content, and the Influencer SmartStart Kit has you covered. And talking about setting things down, the Platypod Extreme is the perfect base for your vlogging rig. Its incredible versatility gives you awesome grip on any surface. No more faffing around with gorilla pods or tripod legs. All you gotta do is set it down, pick it up, and seamlessly continue your shot. And with the cinch Velcro strap from the multi-accessory kit, you can strap that sucker on any freestanding object, like a tree or pole or something like that. Now here are a couple of super awesome bonus tips that'll blow your mind. I've been talking about using smartphones a lot in this video, but even if you prefer to use a small camera for vlogging, this kit has you covered. Just spin off the jaws and use the Grip's 1/4-inch ball joint to hold your camera. The Grip is not just for smartphones, it's a lightweight ball head for your creative endeavors. And guess what? You can always add an additional ball head, like the Platypod Elite, Ergo or any other ball head for extra flexibility. This is awesome when you're planning to use larger cameras and doubles as a mechanical gimbal for smoother camera movements. Your creative journey just got a whole lot more dynamic. And there you have it, folks, the Influencer SmartStart Kit, your passport to hassle-free and creative vlogging. From stabilizing your shots to adding that extra touch of versatility, this kit is designed to amplify your content creation journey. If you were to purchase the grip, handle and extreme separately, it would set you back $257 US. But here's the exciting part. We're offering the entire SmartStart Kit bundle for an exclusive price of just $199. Yes, you heard it right. Just hop over to platypod.com and save big. And whilst you're there, have a look at all the amazing accessories available on the site. It'll blow your mind. Don't miss out. Make your vlogging journey smoother, more dynamic, and most importantly, uniquely yours. Now, if you want to learn more about photography, check out my podcast, the Camera Shake Podcast, where I've talked to photography greats like Joe McNally, Pete Sousa, and many more about how they create the amazing images. And if you're not yet following the Camera Shake Podcast, then you're missing out big. Check it out on YouTube, Apple Podcast, Spotify, and wherever awesome podcasts live. You'll find all the links in the description. As always, take a snapshot of your setup or share your final shots on Instagram. If you've been experimenting with Platypod gear, I want to see your creations. Make sure you tag Platypod on Instagram and use the hashtag #PostMyPlatypod. And if you like this video, we have a button specifically for you right here. Join the community over on Facebook to see what other Platypod users are up to and ring the bell so you don't miss our regular videos. That, my friends, is all for today. Keep creating and I'll see you next time.